In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Shopify and Printify 5 minutes. By the end, your Shopify store will be connected to Printify so you can create products and have orders fulfilled automatically. Start by opening your Shopify admin. Make sure you're signed into the correct store you want to connect. From the Shopify dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Apps. This is where you manage all of your integrations, so it's the natural place to begin. Inside the Apps area, select the option to visit the Shopify App Store. This opens the marketplace where you can find approved apps that work seamlessly with Shopify. In the App Store's search bar, type Printify. You're looking for the official app called Printify Print on Demand. It should be clearly labeled as a print on demand solution with strong reviews. Open that listing to read the brief description and confirm it matches what you need. Next, choose Install. Shopify may show you a permission screen explaining what the app can access, things like products and orders, so that it can create listings and route purchases to Printify for fulfillment. Review the details, then confirm to continue. Installation only takes a moment. Once it's installed, open the app from your Shopify apps page. Printify will launch, often right inside your Shopify admin. You'll see an option to log in. Since we're linking an existing account, click Log into your existing account. Enter your credentials securely and authorize the connection if prompted. This step lets Printify sync with your Shopify store so products, inventory, and orders can flow between the two platforms. After logging in, you should land in the Printify dashboard with your Shopify store recognized. If you're managing more than one store in Printify, double check that the correct one is connected. A quick way to confirm the link is to look for a store name or a managed stores area showing Shopify as connected. If you see any prompts to finish setup, follow them within the same screen. They're typically just confirmations. That's it. You've linked Shopify and Printify. From here, you're ready to create products in Printify and publish them directly to your Shopify storefront with automatic order routing to your chosen print provider. If anything doesn't appear right away in Shopify, give it a minute and refresh, as syncing can take a short moment. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your print-on-demand catalog with a smooth, reliable connection.